full panic mode right now. All right, somewhere in this mess is my service bag. So far, this video is off to a pretty irresponsible start. All right, so apparently one of these 3 circulator pumps is not working properly. If I had to guess, now I'm not a magician, I don't have any of my meters out yet, I'm gonna think it's this one. Now remember, that's just my initial guess, but we always confirm. All right, we're gonna hang this right here. All right, let's go check this out. So we got our lead on, we've got 125 volts. Oh, damn, let's take this off, get a quick amp reading. 120 volts, 0 amps. We got a bad circulator pump. Now I'm only doing this for you guys because I hate taking the case off of my phone. But, Klein, do us a favor, please. This does not fit in the receptacle on your phone when you have a case on. Please make it that much bigger. Pro tip, even if you're picking up one part, always take your service tools with you. I've been on the road going to pick up one part, got the call, hey, guess what? You're going somewhere else. And that's when I had to break it to my boss that I didn't have my tools on me. I know it's a pain to keep bringing stuff in and out, but just bring your tools back in the truck with you. It'll save a lot of problems down the road. Well, unfortunately, there are not a single isolation valve on the individual circulator pumps, which means we're going to the main. I gotta shut the other 2 pumps off too, for good measure. Now, before I disconnect this, I wanna make sure I have everything all set and ready to go, so I can do it as fast as possible. Here's where we're at right now. The valve wasn't holding. So we gotta shut the main down. Talk about a wake-up call. So here's where we're at. It took over an hour to drain the whole system down because not only did that valve still not hold, the way that this building is piped in, it just kept trickling out of the flange. Got the new motor on. 2 observations. 1, there should have been isolation valves on either side of the circulator pump. This whole problem could have been avoided if they were like that. But my second observation, why is the motor go like down? I'm gonna move this over a little bit so water doesn't drip down into the pump. See? That's what happens. Might as well do the electric while I'm waiting for everything to fill. You know what I just thought? Thank God I shut the power off to these 2 pumps. Oh man, I did not want to have to go back and get another one and do this all over again. Moment of truth. Pretty good. Turn these 2 on so we don't have to come back for another call for no hot water. And they're working too. Gonna take a long time to heat up, but our work here is done. Oh, it's great too. The water spraying on the pumps didn't damage the other ones either. Luckily, I didn't panic.